everything organic. I have a passion for vegetables. So my name is Cheryl Laxton and I work with QAI as an inspector and a reviewer. We'll talk about how to prepare for your handler organic inspection. So the inspector will call you and you'll work out a time for the inspection. It's best if organic processing is happening during the inspection, as the inspector will need to observe the aspects of your process that affect organic integrity. For Canadian inspections, organic processing must be taking place during the inspection. Be sure to let the inspector know of any biosecurity requirements of your facility prior to the inspection. The inspector's job is to verify compliance to the standard and the accuracy of your organic compliance plan. The inspector is the impartial third party and will write an objective report about their observations at your facility. So the inspector is not permitted to consult. This means the inspector will not give you advice on how to comply with the standard. They will not tell you how to fix a compliance issue. They cannot tell you if a material or an input will be approved. They cannot tell you if your inspection will be approved for certification. The inspector cannot provide advice. They cannot provide their personal opinion. They do not make a decision about whether or not you will receive organic certification. The opening meeting will include introductions. The inspector will discuss the structure of the inspection, and sometimes QAI will select companies for sampling for residue analysis. And if your company has been selected, that will be discussed at the opening meeting. The facility tour is to verify processes and materials that are explained in your compliance plan. During the facility tour, the inspector will want to see how your product is processed, how the materials are staged and how they're stored, and verify your cleaning products. The inspector will verify that organic control points are being properly managed. They will want to see what measures are in place to prevent commingling and contamination of organic products and ingredients. The inspector must have access to the organic and non-organic aspects of the operation. The document review will include all documents that you have submitted to QAI. QAI has supplied these to the inspector and they will be compared against documents on site to make sure the current versions have been submitted to QAI. Compliance issues from the previous year's inspection will be discussed, and verification of corrective action implementation will need to be verified. The organic certificate and system plan, which is your product list, will be reviewed, as well as product profiles, material inputs, and product labels. So the inspector will do 2 audit trail exercises at a minimum. The traceback audit will track a finished product from point of sale or a shipping document back through the source of all the ingredients used in the manufacturing process. The in-out balance will capture the transactions for one ingredient for a period of 1 month to 1 year. Audits must be chosen by the auditor and completed on site. In the closing meeting, the inspector will review a draft of the report, and this will include any compliance issues that have been noted, any documents that were requested but not received. So a review of the draft report will be completed and issues of compliance will be identified. Both parties will sign the copy of the draft report as part of the exit interview.